All right, so we got the fun, I think it's gonna be fun little video we're gonna do for you guys today. Gonna do chocolate chip cookies on the griddle. Turn it into a nice treat, something good for camping, something good for the kids. Not healthy for the kids, but tasty for the kids. So very, very simple. We got 3 ingredients in the cookies. You can't ask for anything more, right? We need egg, we need peanut butter, we need sugar. That's literally all you need to do the cookies on the griddle. All this stuff, we're gonna gild the lily a little bit, and we're gonna turn it into something a little bit snazzier, if you will. So stick around.
These organic cherries?
Are they?
No.
Of course not. Of course not. I'm not you. I don't buy organic food. Listen, stick around. This should be fun. So we'll put the recipe for the cookies. These are gonna be crunchy cookies, they're not gonna be chewy. We're gonna put the recipe down in the description, but it's literally simple.
Crunchy?
Yeah.
You just add more butter.
We're not adding any butter. So what we have here is we have a cup of creamy peanut butter. Today we're using Jif, my kids like that. A half cup granulated sugar and 1 egg. That is literally all that's going in the cookies. No guarantee these are not gonna burn on the griddle, but we shall see. So we're gonna get that in a bowl. We're gonna put Jif's arms to work.
You said 1 cup of sugar, right? 2 half cups, perfect. Look at that.
And then you're gonna need 2 eggs. And then you're gonna mash this all together.
Awesome.
So what I like about this, Jeff.
Full eggs, right?
Yes.
All right.
What I like about this is if you're camping or you're tailgating, or actually if you're anywhere, it's not like a ton of stuff you gotta bring.
Yeah.
Here's your 2nd cup of peanut butter.
Perfect.
And with that being all the ingredients, let's throw the camera fast forward and get that mixed up. Get on it, Jeff. All right, so Jeff mixed up the 3 ingredients. Supposedly you can put the camera on that, Jeff. Supposedly you can roll that into a ball. We're not having much luck with that.
No.
So we're gonna use spoons. Now I gotta give props to a woman named Karen. I don't know her last name, but she grabbed me in the supermarket. She recognized us from the channel. And she said, hey, I wanted to tell you, your parchment paper, the way that you stop fighting with it from rolling back up like this, she said you crinkle it up and then unroll it, right? So I gotta give props, Karen, because it actually works. Sorry for the noise. There's a free little trick for you, right? So look at that. All right, so what we're shooting for here is a cookie about the size of a hockey puck, right? So about that size. The approach we're taking is we're taking a sheet of parchment paper, standard parchment, cutting it in half this way, which gives you about this size. A couple of spoons, big old lop of peanut butter cookie dough. I don't even know if you call it dough. Peanut butter cookie stuff. We're gonna fold that over. And just like a smash burger, but a smashed peanut butter cookie. There we go. About, I don't know, what would you say that is? 1/8 inch thick, Jeff?
Yeah.
1/4 inch?
Yeah, 1/4 inch.
Yep. About that size.
Perfect.
So we're gonna knock out as many of these as we can and we'll meet you guys at the griddle. So while we're working on this, got a big old package that came from a channel you guys should check out. This is a special gift for us. Griddle Guys, sent enough for all 3 Griddle Guys.
For the record, it weighs a ton.
It weighs a lot. So this is from a channel called Grillin' and Chillin' with Al. He's a newer channel, doing a lot of good cooking.
Actually, I'll put a link in the description.
Yeah, nice guy.
Yeah.
We've been talking to him a lot. He's up in the Pacific Northwest, and what he's involved with, other than griddling and making some great barbecue, is growing produce. So he said, oh, look at this, nice little note. Enjoy Thank you for all you do and your friendship. Grilling and chilling with Al. Let's get
Nice.
it up there. Al, thank you. What he's been texting us, and he said he is waiting for the cherries in the Pacific Northwest to hit the ideal ripeness, and he sent 2 of these giant packages for each family. I mean, I don't know what that weighs, but it is a heck of a lot. The good news is these things look perfect. Those look absolutely beautiful. And we really appreciate it. My wife loves cherries, so, you know, hopefully the camera gets how fresh and ripe those look.
Those are good too. Those are really good.
If you guys get a chance, check out Grilling and Chilling with Al. We'll put a link in the description. Let's get back to the cook.
Yeah.
So we have the griddle set on lowest setting. So everything that I've read about these says that they tend to burn, which is kind of the point of the parchment paper, which as you guys saw, that crinkling up and flattening thing, thank you again, Karen, that worked out awesome. So we're just gonna lay all these down. We doubled the recipe, and we ended up with, how many, Jeff, do you remember?
I think you forgot to take them out of the parchment paper.
Why would I take them out of the parchment paper? That's the whole plan. Why is Jeff confused?
We need to have better prep, you know, in our meetings. You're leaving it in the...
I only said it to you like 4 times inside.
No, you did not. It was not on the spreadsheet.
So this is the whole point, right? With the parchment, what we can do is pick these up and flip them over so that they don't have to cook all the way through from
Timer
one side.
started.
And now all we have to do is make sure they don't burn.
And for the record, double recipe, perfect for 36.
Yeah, actually fit right on, coincidentally. Yeah. So, all right, so Jeff set a timer, right?
Yes.
Not quite sure of the exact approach here, but I think what we're gonna do, I don't know, let's cook them for like, these are in a 350 degree oven, these cook in like 12 minutes. So at like the 5-minute mark, let's see what the bottom one looks like, okay?
So we are flipping though.
Without a doubt, we're flipping. Probably multiple times.
I like it.
Oh, now you like it.
Well, now I'm curious. Like, subscribe.
Yes, please,
and
please.
Share this with your friends, because I'm sure they haven't seen it.
Yes.
Nice.
All right, so now we just wait patiently. Jeff, what are we at for time?
5 minutes, 17 seconds.
All right, so I smell a little bit of burning. And looking at this, I see a little bit of browning here. I see a little bit of browning. So this was the point of the parchment paper. Jeff, get over here and start flipping. Yep, we get a little dark. In 5 minutes, we get a little dark. So you guys know, less than 5 minutes. It's not bad. I'm actually gonna turn the griddle off and just let those finish up because I think they're gonna be done quickly.
Well, they separate from the parchment, nice.
Yeah.
We'll say 4 minutes on the flip.
I would go less than 5 minutes on the first side because you guys can see some of them, yeah, they don't look too bad, but some of them, that guy's a little dark, right? Might have a little roasty flavor.
Toasted peanuts. Doesn't get better than that.
Actually, I'm gonna cut into one of these and take a look, Jeff. Still very soft.
I was just gonna say, it looks like it cuts nice.
Still very soft.
I'm sure it's not hot if you just want to bite it.
I'm thinking just 2 minutes on this side.
Yeah.
Because they're soft when they're hot.
Yeah.
Well, once they cool down, they'll crisp up.
And that carries a lot of heat, you know, for a while.
We can actually just flip this over and lift the parchment. Yeah, see, this is already picking up a little color.
Mm-hmm.
So let me flip another one. That's picking up a little color. Yeah, let's pull these off. So I don't know how much time that was, Jeff, but I would say between 1 and 2 minutes. I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah. That was 2 minutes.
With the griddle off, right?
2 minutes with the griddle off, yeah.
So how do these turn out? They did get a little dark. So like we talked about, Jeff, what did we say? Start flipping them at 3 minutes instead of 5 minutes?
Yep.
So as you guys can see, some of them are light and they're a little dark on one side. Now that being said, the flavor doesn't actually taste burned, even with like this here.
No, not even a little bit.
Not even a little bit. You know, it does taste like a peanut butter cookie. Now, what I was hoping for was a crispy cookie. And what we have is not a crispy cookie. It's not a bad cookie, but it's a chewy cookie. That being said.
And if you like peanut butter, it's a good cookie.
Yeah, it's a very good cookie. I would make these and just eat these like this. Yeah. But here's how we're gonna serve them up. If I were camping, I would do this probably on paper plates, so you can just toss them afterwards.
Yeah.
But grab a cookie, grab a spoon or if you happen to be in your kitchen, an ice cream scoop. Nice mound of ice cream. Oh, and I should mention while I'm doing this,
That's all I need right there. It's just that. But anyway, that's all right.
we had to let these cool for quite a bit of time. So these cooled for a solid 12, 14 minutes. Right? Let's get a cookie on top, like that. Now you can use canned whipped cream, or in my case, I bought Cool Whip, because I like Cool Whip. Get a little chocolate syrup. You gotta do a little chocolate drizzle on the plate, so that you have something to smear the cookie around in. Cool Whip. And on top there. These are peanut butter chips.
You weren't kidding about gilding the lily,
Gilding the lily. Peanut butter chips, couple in the plate is okay, and a cherry on top. And lastly, after that,
Another drizzle.
a little drizzle on the cream.
So this is in place of supper, I'm assuming?
This is after supper. This is a treat. There we go. That's it. A nice low calorie, low sugar snack. But no, seriously, coming off the griddle, isn't that a nice treat?
That is a nice
Big
treat.
peanut butter cookie ice cream sandwich. Might even go with a little bit more whipped cream.
Yeah, why not? Why not?
All right, Jeff, you're gonna do the taste test? This is on your diet.
Yeah, I don't know how I can. Like, do you just slide it into your mouth? Like the
Fork
whole
and
thing?
knife. This is a fork and
That's a
knife
fork and a knife
snack.
special.
Yeah. All right, you guys get the idea. So a couple takeaways. Flip it before 5 minutes. Parchment paper was key. Otherwise, it would have stuck to the griddle. Toppings, obviously, up to you. Although the cookie's not crispy, it is absolutely delicious, and it is only 3 ingredients. So I'd give it a shot. We'll catch you guys on the next one.
That's good.